We installed a 32 by 32 feet basketball court for the residents in Watermill, New York. The court was built on recycled concrete base and bluestone chips. And then we utilized Metflex top court tiles for the floor. The tiles we used are in a navy blue, 12 inches for the perimeter over the court. And we did the key over the basketball court in the same navy blue. The rest of the court is in a silver gray. We utilized synthetic turf as a fringe around the entire court. The court is a little elevated from the natural grass. We also strapped the court with a block line. We installed an adjustable professional dominator aluminum hoop, and in the back of the hoop, to prevent the ball from going to the flowers, we installed an out-of-bounds netting with 4 12-foot posts. This is the latest basketball court built by Gappsi in Watermill, New York.